Have you ever wondered why your Anthurium looks green and healthy, yet blooms slowly, produces few buds, or fades too quickly? Everyone wants their Anthurium to stay strong and vibrant, produce buds early and consistently, bloom beautifully and last longer, and most importantly, develop a strong, healthy white root system from within. In this video, I'll share a very simple, safe, and easy to follow method at home that helps Anthuriums grow stronger from roots to leaves, even for weak plants or those that bloom slowly. The ingredient I'm using today to care for my Anthurium is a common onion. Something easy to find and available in almost every household. I gently peel away the thin layers and keep the dry outer onion skins, as this part contains many natural compounds and nutrients that are beneficial for plants. These onion skins are often thrown away, but when used properly, they can help plants grow healthier in a completely natural way. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and chat with each other from all around the world. Then, I use scissors to cut the onion skins into small pieces and place them into a clean glass jar, getting everything ready for the next step in the plant care process. Next, I add 3 teaspoons of coffee to the jar containing the onion skins, a familiar kitchen ingredient that can provide natural benefits for plants when used properly. Coffee provides mild nutrients and creates a favorable environment that helps plants absorb nutrients more effectively. Then, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar and stir well so the coffee and onion skins mix completely, helping the nutrients extract more quickly and evenly. Once everything is well mixed, I close the lid and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour, allowing the natural nutrients from the coffee and onion skins to be released gradually. After steeping, we get a completely natural, gentle plant care solution with a light aroma, ready to be used in the next care steps. Before starting any care, I take a moment to check the overall condition of the Anthurium. Looking closely at the base, I notice some dry leaves and old stalks that have completed their role and can no longer grow. Therefore, I gently use scissors to remove the dry leaves and old stalks at the base, helping the plant stay airy and ready for the next care steps. If left in place, these parts can reduce airflow at the base and trap moisture, increasing the risk of fungal issues. This may seem like a small step, but it plays an important role in helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during the next care stages. After about 1 hour of soaking the onion skins and coffee mixture, I take the solution out and stir it again to make sure all nutrients are fully blended. Next, I strain out all the solid residue, keeping only the extracted liquid, which is the nutrient-rich essence from the onion skins and coffee. This light yellow-brown solution is rich in potassium, magnesium, and natural micronutrients, helping Anthuriums recover faster, develop stronger roots, and bloom more beautifully. After collecting the nutrient-rich extract, I dilute it with 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water and stir well before use. At this point, we have created a safe, gentle, yet highly effective natural fertilizer, perfect for caring for Anthuriums at home. Step 1. I use an onion skin and coffee solution to clean and nourish all the Anthurium leaves. I use a soft cotton pad, soak it well in the solution, and gently wipe both sides of the leaves, from mature leaves to young new ones. Wiping the leaves helps clean the surface while allowing nutrients to be absorbed gently and effectively. Onion skin extract contains natural compounds that help strengthen leaf resistance and support plant recovery. Meanwhile, diluted coffee provides mild minerals that help leaves stay firm, maintain a fresh green color, and grow stronger from within. Regular leaf wiping also helps remove dust, bacteria, and residue from the leaf surface, keeping it clean and well ventilated. When the leaves are clean, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, improving overall health and supporting more consistent blooming. The onion skin and coffee solution is a natural, gentle, and chemical-free option, especially suitable for indoor plants. When the leaves are healthy, the plant can distribute nutrients more effectively to the roots, building a foundation for strong white roots, healthy new shoots, and long-lasting blooms. This is a small but very important step that helps Anthuriums grow evenly, maintain beautiful foliage, and stay ready for future blooms. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages for viewers around the world. Available languages include English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language by selecting your preferred option in the video's language settings. Step 2. I pour the diluted onion skin and coffee solution into a spray bottle and adjust it to a fine mist to begin nourishing the entire Anthurium plant. I spray the solution evenly over the entire plant, including both the upper and underside of the leaves, as well as the leaf stalks and main stem, ensuring all parts receive natural nutrients. When sprayed directly, the nutrients from the onion skins and coffee are evenly distributed throughout the plant, helping it grow more balanced and stronger. Onion skin extract contains natural compounds that help strengthen resistance in the leaves, stems, and stalks, supporting better recovery after stress. Meanwhile, diluted coffee provides mild minerals that strengthen stems and leaf stalks, reducing issues like soft leaves, weak stalks, or flowers that fade too quickly. The fine mist evenly coats the leaves, maintaining proper moisture while reducing the risk of fungal issues and pests that often hide on the underside of leaves. When the plant absorbs nutrients efficiently and grows strong, Anthuriums produce buds more evenly, with fuller flowers, brighter colors, and longer-lasting blooms. This is an important care step that helps Anthuriums maintain stable vitality and prepare for the next growth stages. Step 3. I slowly water the onion skin and coffee solution over the entire growing medium around the base of the Anthurium, allowing nutrients to gradually reach the roots. I water gently and evenly so the solution spreads through the medium without shocking the roots or causing waterlogging. Onion skin extract helps improve the root environment, strengthen resistance, and reduce common issues such as weak or rotting roots. Combined with diluted coffee, this solution provides mild minerals that support steady root growth and improve water and nutrient uptake. Unlike chemical fertilizers that act quickly but may stress roots, this natural solution nourishes the plant gently and sustainably. After watering, I continue by soaking the plant base in the solution for about 10 minutes, giving the roots more time to absorb the natural nutrients. When the roots are well nourished, the anthurium distributes nutrients more efficiently to stems and leaves, producing more even buds, fuller flowers, and longer-lasting blooms. This is an important care step that helps the plant grow steadily from the roots and maintain long-term vitality. After soaking the anthurium in the onion, skin and coffee solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and place it in an area with diffused light to let it stabilize. Next, I use a soft, clean cloth to gently dry all the leaves, including both the upper and underside surfaces. Drying the leaves removes excess moisture left on the surface and prevents water from collecting in leaf joints or folds. These areas are especially prone to fungal and bacterial growth if moisture is left for too long. Although anthuriums enjoy humidity, they do not tolerate stagnant water, so this step helps keep the leaves clean, dry, and well ventilated. Gently wiping the leaves also improves airflow, supports gas exchange and photosynthesis, helping the plant recover better after nutrient care. This is a small but very important finishing step that helps anthuriums stay healthy and maintain their beauty over time. A healthy anthurium doesn't just brighten your space, it brings a sense of calm and connection with nature every day. With simple natural ingredients, you can help your plant grow strong from the roots, shine in its leaves, and bloom beautifully for longer naturally and safely. Thank you for spending your time with Flower Care Garden today. And if you enjoy gentle, natural plant care like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips coming soon.